Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about examples of my work for my digital resume. First up, I have Canvas, which is my top choice when it comes to integrating technology into the classroom. If you are here now, that means you pressed my link from the website, and thank you for pressing that. Let's get right on into it. Here I have an example of my Canvas that I made for one of my showcases throughout the course. I'm planning on becoming an intervention specialist, specializing in math and language arts for middle school. So that is why I made a 6th grade language arts class in my Canvas. As you can see, it is pretty easy to figure out. I have discussions up on here so that the kids can talk to each other and they can talk to me, and they will be answering prompts, or they will just be asking each other questions or sending me questions in our Q&A link. Here is a testing link. It is not published. As we can see over here, that was for a trial run earlier in the semester. They will be finding all of their information in the modules tab like we do in class. Here I have some testers, and we have like my BrainPop link and my 9 Square, which I used for Showcase 3. It's all about learning what verbs are and how to use them in a sentence and differentiate them from other types of words. On Canvas, you can also take quizzes and tests on here. Here I have a tester. And if you look over here to the side, you have a calendar that can tell you all of your assignments. Inbox is for mail, and anything else you may need help with, history if you have any questions. So not 6th grade, but this course is really great and is great for integrating technology into the classroom because it basically is your classroom just online. Anything you want to do in class, you can do in Canvas. You can talk to each other, they can submit work, you can give them work, and all that jazz. I believe that you should have different forms of work. So I have in-class work, I have work that needs to be done on paper, you can speak, but all of that can still be scanned in and turned in on Canvas, but not all of it will be online. And because of all this, it meets our ESTE standards, which I have listed here. They use technology, and it's a very active role in our classroom. They will recognize their rights and responsibilities. That's something we go over right at the beginning of class, so they know that they need to be responsible with their technology and respectful, and that it's a right to get to use it, and not everyone has access to it. Knowledge Constructor, there's a variety of resources on there that they get to use. Innovative Designer, you get to use a bunch of different technologies, so that can include some of the homework I've posted, the discussion board, screencasting and sending that in, all kinds of stuff. Computational Thinker, they have to figure out all of their work and how to turn it in. It's very easy to understand, but when they first learn, it will be interesting, which is why I'm here to help, but they will have to think through that. Creative Communicator, they get to communicate with everyone in their class through our discussion boards and through our email. So if they want to bounce ideas off of each other for a project, they can do that. If they have a question for me, they can ask me, whether it's in the Q&A so everyone can see it, or through the email so that it's one-on-one. And I will also be putting prompts as homework in their discussion boards, so they will also get to creatively communicate during that. And then Global Collaborator, everyone is involved in this, me, the kids. They can talk to kids from their grade who may not be in their class, and I can even bring in like guest speakers to talk during a discussion board or articles, so that they are connecting with everyone locally and globally, and that is just up to me. So as long as I put in that option, they will have access to it, which is very exciting. going back to the website, you can also see that Canvas is in my list of favorite technology tools. So I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope you guys have a chance to work with it in the future. Thanks.